Hello and welcome to the vlog and day 4, yeah, of our 10-day trip. We are heading off to Animal Kingdom. Once again, we've missed early entry. Just don't know why, just so tired this trip. But yeah, we're heading over to Animal Kingdom. Gonna spend about half the day there before we head back and get ready to go to Disney Springs to watch Guardians. Should be fun.
It will be very fun. Very excited for that. Very excited for Animal Kingdom. Wonder if it'll be as hot and humid as it was last time, because that was the hottest part when we were here.
Yeah, we'll see.
We're on our way to Disney's Animal Kingdom. For your safety and the safety of others, please remain seated while the motor coach is in motion. If you're standing, we encourage you to use the handrails overhead or to the side and remain clear of the doors and stairwells. We ask that you refrain from eating, drinking, and smoking while on board the motor coach. And now, we invite you to relax and enjoy the ride. Thank you.
Oh, is that the new one? That's so fun. I like that.
Yeah, it's great, isn't it? Have a good day. Right, so it's just flight of passage that's 55 minutes. I don't know if we're going to do that now, queue, because then it can get busy later on. We're just following essentially the crowds of what everyone else is doing, but with it potentially getting a lot longer during the day.
Yeah, it makes sense to do it.
Yeah.
I think they said that they either do this or like the safari. Safari
Gets hot during the day, yeah.
Because when the animals are out and about, during the heat they are.
So that's only 10 minutes.
Wow.
Yeah, Pandora flight of passage is 60 minutes. 60 minutes? Thought that was a bird flying towards me, but it's just a leaf falling to the ground. Look at that. So it's just at the end of April that Animal Kingdom was celebrating its 25th anniversary.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. So there was some exclusive like 25th merch. That's why they released that Timon popcorn bucket, Bumba popcorn bucket, and the Timon sipper.
That's very cool.
End of the line. Good morning. cute.
Guide is leading them away.
3 are going to go into those chambers on this side.
Those with a fear of heights or prone to motion sickness should bypass this experience.
Have I gone deaf? What is this thing that I haven't heard for such a long time? What's silence?
We need you to enter the room and stand on your assigned number. Okay, sealed genetic matching room.
Oh my god, it's like
Okay, Dr. Stevens, they're ready.
Can everyone see me? But first, we have to scan you for Pandora microparasites. All right, everyone, stay on your number and move your arms a bit. Okay, start scan. You've all got them. But don't worry, they're very common around these parts. Let's start the decon.
Initiating GMR decon.
Stand still over your number, you're not going to feel a thing. You're doing great. Almost done here.
We're all clear.
Great. Now let's go over how all this works. Help us out and move around a bit. Almost. Yes, got it. Now let's find you your avatar matches. All right, you've all been matched with avatars. Ooh, looks like they're ready for you in the next room.
Hop. Hop.
Is going to be along that wall.
Hello, thank you very much.
You're about to experience a ceremony that's very special to the Na'vi, flying on the back of an Ikran, or as we call it, a banshee. To the Na'vi, connecting to an Ikran and flying on its back is an incredibly important rite of passage they call Ikni-Maya. With permission from the Na'vi and in partnership with Alpha Centauri Expeditions, we can now bring this amazing experience to you.
When you follow our technician into the link chamber, you'll see a series of 16 link chairs. Please go to the number that matches the number you're standing on now. First, stow your gear in the storage containers on the back wall. This should include all bags, cameras, and other items, including cell phones. It's important to push them all the way into the bin. Then get onto the chair as you would a bike. Straddle the seat, step forward, and sit down. Slide your hips forward until you are against the chest pad, and then move your feet all the way forward. Wait until you're seated before you put on your flight visors. Hold on to the hand grips as shown. It's important to hold on to the hand grips at all times. After you're seated, back and leg restraints will be firmly engaged. For your safety, throughout this entire experience, always remain seated and supervise your children.
All right, restraints are coming up now.
step off the link chair, gather your belongings, and exit the link chamber.
That was really good. That was better than I remember it to be.
Great.
Got very wet.
Yeah, good. That's what, yeah, very good.
But, oh yeah, that was probably the best. I mean, maybe I just can't remember last time, but that was probably the best time I've ever been on it. Like,
yeah,
I don't remember feeling this way when we went on it last time.
Yeah, I thought that you really feel like you're riding the Banshee. So it's very good, very, very good.
It's very good. In all the excitement of coming for a flight of passage, I didn't actually tell you where we were going next. So after this, we headed over to Kilimanjaro Safari to check out the animals.
Everyone, that does mean welcome. Welcome aboard. Set all the way across that left-hand side, making as much room as you need for your party to remain seated comfortably. Jumbo, everyone. Good morning. My name is Shelby. I'm going to be your safari guide as we make our way through the Harambe Wildlife Reserve today. As we head through the reserve, please remember to remain seated at all times with those hands, arms, feet, and legs inside of the truck. Coming up on the left-hand side, that light brown animal pretty far back, that is the greater kudu. The dark brown animal closest to us with the horns, this is the bongo. Bongos have the nickname ghost of the forest. They are rarely seen out there in the wild. They are so good at camouflage. They are also very fast animals. Their horns are angled backwards to help them run quicker through the brush. Coming up on the left-hand side, these are Nile crocodiles. Nile crocodiles would be anywhere between 16 to 20 feet long. They are both ambush and opportunistic predators with the ability to jump behind their body out of the water to catch their prey. We're able to tell that these are Maasai giraffe because of the rough edging on the outside of their spots. Sorry everybody, I have to give the giraffes the right of way.
He knows what he's doing.
Giraffes grow to be about 18 to 20 feet tall, making them the tallest animal in the world. One other look at that African elephant over on the left-hand side. If you notice, this African elephant has their ears propped open. Behind an African elephant's ears are blood vessels. When they flap their ears or hold them open for prolonged periods of time, better regulates their blood circulation and they are able to cool their bodies down by about 15 degrees. Females and the male young will stay together, but once those male young reach the age of maturity, they actually leave their herd. They'll either leave on their own accord, or the females will repetitively chase them away until they get the hint to not come back anymore. The males will then join a pretty small bachelor herd of elephants. This is going to range anywhere between 3 to 4 other bachelor elephants, or the male elephants will choose to live on their own in solitary. We are reaching the final unload station. Make sure you guys gather up any and all of your belongings. I would hate for you to leave something behind with me out here in Africa. It's a pretty long walk back.
Sweet. Get your right against the fence there. Yeah, that's perfect. Just like that, guys. Ready? 1, 2, 3. And let's see. Can you lift your bird wings up like you're flying? Yeah. And give me your fiercest lion claws that look really scary. And then your best superhero look. Maybe you're going like this. Maybe you're going like this. Showing off those guns. Yeah, there we go. And then one more, we got some magic for you. We're gonna look right down here at the ground at some scary friends that want to bite your toes. So you gotta make sure you look really afraid, okay? Ready, and 1, 2, 3. Yes. That was wild. You're welcome, guys. Have a great rest
You
of the day.
too, thank you. So we're going up. We're going to go hike Everest. Try and find the Yeti. Stay 5 minutes, that's what we like to see.
Attention Expedition Everest team members. Once on board, secure all gear in the cargo bag. Remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the jeep. And please supervise each other.
What's that? We're at the front. Let's go! Good at the front. Brilliant.
Look at me!
Here he comes with our lunch.
Large drink.
That was a large drink. It's like 40 cents different. So I was like,
Oh,
okay,
really?
yeah. But that is absolutely massive. It's like the size of my head.
This one's for everybody. We're going to make it really simple though. All you have to do is swing your hips side to side. Alright? We're going to do that all together. Are you ready?
He's back.
Gone for a pulled pork burger with coleslaw and chips. And a massive drink. So we got a dinner guest. Fed and watered. We're now going to go and join our friends Nemo under the sea in his show.
No show. The show was nice. 1 o'clock show's not going to happen.
So we're not going to go see Nemo. 1 o'clock show is not happening. Next show is at 2:30. So should we go do dinosaur?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. They're not gonna make it. They're not gonna make it. That's why you have multiple days in the park, so you can come back when they don't do.
What you
or
want?
something's not happening yet. I think the dinosaur matey was uncovered last time. But shot.
Hello there. Welcome to our little trans-dimensional joyride, folks. I'm Dr. Seeker, your friendly controller, and a heck of a paleontologist, if I do say so myself. But let's not talk about me, let's talk about you, and how you can help me make history today with the Time Rover. It's like this. If I can bring you back from the Cretaceous period, it stands to reason that I can bring back a live dinosaur with you, and not just any dinosaur. Take a look at this guy. He's an iguanodon, and I'm certain that he is the key to understanding these magnificent creatures.
Our tours are designed to take you to the early Cretaceous period, and I can assure you that all time rovers have been securely locked on those coordinates.
That's right. See? Securely locked. Access denied.
Continue.
Oh, and one more thing. Those locked coordinates. We're in. Now, here's the drill. You follow the homing signal to the iguanodon, then I'll enlarge the transport field, and boom, you're back with one additional passenger extra large.
Whenever anyone says, what could possibly go wrong, everything goes wrong.
Always. You love to follow an instruction, you do.
I do. Rules are there for a reason. That's how you keep the fun organised and safe.
God, such a teacher.
Good, just hang on there.
Okay, now let's go get that dino. Computer, what are you tracking?
Styracosaurus.
Not our dino.
Warning, meteor shower in range.
Just little one.
Oleoramus. Hadrosaur. Raptor.
Time to get serious. That's it. Abort mission. Abort! Abort!
Iguanodon.
Forget it! Get them out now!
Asteroid impact.
Brace yourself! This is it! They're not gonna make it! They're not gonna make it!
Mission accomplished.
You made it! I knew you would, and guess who made it back with you? I better find him before security does. Thanks for everything!
I don't remember that being so throwy. We just popped into the merch store, just have a quick look to see if there's any like 25th anniversary stuff. I got the Spirit jersey, which is nice on the front, but the back is a bit too much for me, I think, which is a shame because I would have liked the 25th anniversary. We're now going to head over to Hollywood Studios just to see if we've got any of the May the 4th merch still available and have a little look. And then we're going to head back to the room and chill. We're going to go for a swim.
Go for a swim.
Yeah. before we head out this evening to Disney Springs to watch the new Guardians of the Galaxy film, which I've heard great things about already, so I'm really excited. Just as we're leaving, we see Divine. I think that was the most intimate bus ride I've ever had, packed on like sardines. But
he just wanted to make sure that everyone got on the
He
bus.
did. And we made sure there was no man left behind.
No man left behind.
Or woman, or child, or non-binary. But he helped pass the time with some amazing jokes.
They were classic.
So classic jokes where my takeaway on was, who is the smartest Disney villain? Gaston, because he's the only person to have received a Nobel Prize. Nice and bright with your broken sunglasses.
Very bright, isn't it?
I wouldn't know. Matt got flagged by the security guards again. So he's had to have his bag checked. But he's made a friend with the security guy, so we're okay. Make a friend.
Make a friend.
Make a friend.
Telling me it's probably that big old camera in your bag that's making it beep.
Oh. Did you tell him that you bought that multiple days before?
Yeah.
Buzz, buzz, buzz. So we're going to take a trip to Batu, check out the cargo situation, and then, unless you want to do anything.
No, I'm all good with that.
Maybe let's get a little sweet treat.
Sweet treat, yeah.
A little sweet treat. Hello.
How you guys doing?
Very good, thanks.
Doing well. Enjoy yourself.
Thank you. Being a cast member, you must meet so many like interesting and fantastic people.
Yeah, definitely.
But I feel like you'd also meet some very rude people as well.
Yeah, I reckon
that the nice people heavily outweigh the...
Yeah, so everyone's very friendly. Like, the friendly ones are very friendly. They're very chatty.
Yeah.
Which is nice. Whereas the moody ones just...
Oh, we can do whatever you want. It doesn't matter.
Yeah. Just like that. Oh, I know what sweet treat we should get.
What's that?
A Jack Nom Nom cookie.
Jack Nom Nom cookie?
Yeah.
I don't know what that is.
It's just a cookie.
Just a cookie.
But from the Incredibles. You know when he's like, Jack Nom Nom cookie, and he keeps disappearing. Yeah.
Yes.
I don't know where you get that from there. I'm guessing it's probably over by like the Pixar bit that's going to bring back all the Pixar characters, like meet and greets, later in the year. I'm guessing it's over there. Or we can go out through Toy Story Land. Check out Tatooine Traders first. See if there's anything cool in there before we head into Batu. So put those broken glasses back on. Nothing in there. Doc Ondar, that's what I'm thinking of. That's where we're gonna go next.
Wait. That droid's a little too curious. Keep it in line, or we'll take it in for scanning. We have eyes on you.
So I think they come off of the cable, and the cable just wraps around, and then they go onto a motorized track.
Welcome aboard the Disney Skyliner at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort.
Evening! After a quick refresh, maybe a power nap, we are on our way to Disney Springs. We're going to grab something to eat, and then we're going to go see Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 3. Obviously rocking my Guardians t-shirt, which has no idea if you can see that, but that's fine. It's Friday night, so obviously everything is going to be busy. We've done the polite pig last time.
Didn't do the polite pig last time.
Try and do something new.
Yeah, we should. Sometimes never wonder.
Quick look in the Lego shop.
Huh?
Quick look in the Lego shop.
Quick look in the Lego shop.
Quick look in the Lego shop. Got distracted by the Lego store and the goofy Candy Coast store, and we're still no closer to choosing what to have for dinner. Carolina? Pasta or pizza?
Pasta or pizza?
Yeah?
Yeah.
See what they say. Just wonder how long a wait would be for a table of two.
Table for two? Right now there is no wait. May I have a name?
Ben.
Ben? Give us a few moments and we'll get you to your table.
Amazing, thank you very
so
much. Interesting table choice.
Huh?
Interesting table choice. Pasta. I'll go for a chicken parmesan with spaghetti pomodoro. And pizza. We love a complimentary bread, and it's warm. My fave. Italian fries, so fries with sauce. What sauce is it?
Cheese sauce, no?
Cheese sauce and salami. Cheese sauce? Cream sauce.
It's like a white sauce.
Nice.
Very nice.
Very hot.
Swiftly keen.
Dove straight in. 2 slices already gone. Let's ignore that. But this is the bacon and mushroom pizza, and that's gone for the spicy capicola. There's arugula.
Arugula, roasted vegetables, garlic, and
Sausage?
Huh?
Sausage?
I don't think there was sausage.
Yeah.
There was some meat on there of some sort.
Yeah, we're gonna get back to eating. Taking a walk down the cosmic carpet as we go into Guardians. So we will see you on the other side. trapped Matt into the bathroom. We're back from Disney Springs and watching Guardians, and it was a very good film. It was the perfect ending to the trilogy. Won't say any more for risk of spoilers, but I mean, probably by the time that this comes out, you should have seen it. And if you haven't, you should go see it. Right, that's it for today. As a reminder, remember to subscribe, comment, like if you enjoyed what you see. And until next time, see you later.